center line we are going to item. Okay, center, center, justify content, justify content.
ये देखना है चश्मा बंद है।
So here the background color is black, as I have told you. Then we are gonna give it overflow, overflow, hidden. Okay, then here we will gonna close the bracket and dot and container, then give a bracket. Now let's start font F4 and the font size, then 10, okay, 10 pixel width, its width, with then height should be 40 em, position relative this is done. Now let's give it dot sun, then position absolute, then top 15 em. Okay, then left should be 15 em. Then width I just forgot to add semicolon. Let's width which should be 10 em. Then height